Welcome to the future of smartphones. Vivo has unveiled its latest marvel, the T3x 5G. This cutting-edge tech gadget is designed for those who demand speed and efficiency in their everyday tasks, thanks to the powerful Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chip at its core. Imagine the convenience of a 6,000 mAh battery, coupled with a vibrant 6.72-inch 120Hz FHD Plus display. Capture your world in stunning detail with a 50MP main camera. The T3x 5G starts at a price of Rs 13,499 for the 4GB plus 128GB variant and will be available from April 24, 2024. Don't miss out on the exclusive discounts on HDFC and SBI bank cards. Running on FunTouch OS 14, the T3x 5G promises a seamless user experience. This is not just a smartphone, it's a revolution in your pocket. Welcome to the Vivo T3x 5G era.